Wait, this cat's living inside of a pineapple? With a Dole Whip on its head? Well, let's draw this. Hey, if you don't have Posca markers, you can use whatever you have today. So let's start off with the 2 dots. We're going to draw a foreshortened circle. This is going to be the pineapple. This little kitty cat's in. Hope you guys are enjoying the summer vibes today. So that's the lip of the pineapple. You can see we're curving a line out here to the right on the right hand side. Yeah, this little kitty cat didn't choose the tropical life. I think the tropical life chose the kitty cat. All right, so we're going to draw these lines across for the texture of the pineapple. These are cross contour lines, so they're curving around the shape of the form. And now we're coming across the other direction. So as you can see, we're building with shapes and forms today. We are going to have some construction lines that will be erased. It's always a good idea to draw lightly. So these are the paws of the little cat. So it started off with a little oval. I'm going to go in and erase off those construction lines. We're off to a great start. I want you to pay attention to the proportions. So how big is this head in your relationship to the pineapple? Okay, so we can see we're curving a line out to the right hand side on the right. And that's going to get us the shape of the head, which is a lot like the Pringles can oval. The Pringles dude. Do you think this kitty cat would claw your drink? I bet you it would. And went ahead and clean out those construction lines. Now we're going to go ahead and add the expression. So we're going to keep it basic Kawaii style expression today. So I like to move my hand in a circular motion first before I draw a circle. So I guess if life gives you pineapples, just add a cat and some soft serve ice cream. Okay, so we have another size relationship, the ear. So pay attention to the size of the shapes that we're drawing in relationship to each other. Drawing the inner part of the ear. Here goes the straw. I'm curving a line up this time because we're looking up at the cylinder. So this cylinder is above our eye level. And here goes some Dole Whip on our little kitty cat's head, and I bet you it's getting a brain freeze, guys. Don't worry, if this cat melts, we can still drink it. So these are some more contour lines that kind of curve with the shape of the form. Going in and cleaning up construction lines as I'm going. All right, now this is going to be the center of the flower. And the shape of these petals are a little bit heart-shaped. We're going to have a beautiful hibiscus flower. Definitely bringing the tropical summer vibes today. And these are also cross contour lines. They're curving, creating the shape of these petals. And then we're going to have these two leaves. And as I said before, if you don't have Posca markers, just use whatever you have. We're going to be using colors value today. Did you know colors have value? Yeah, so for instance, look at the yellow to yellow-orange to ochre, which is kind of a brownish yellow. So as an artist, it's always good to stand back from your work, make corrections and adjustments as needed. And then once you get it to where you like it, then it is time for outlining. I'm just using a Sharpie marker today. Getting a nice bold outline. And here we go. So this is ivory, which is a light yellow. Now I'm going with some just regular yellow, adding a little bit of highlights. This is the yellow ochre. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of color mixing right here. So it goes from yellow ochre to yellow, adding a little bit of white in there to lighten it up. And you can see it's already looking 3D. For the markings on the cat, I'm using beige. You see my two values of green on the straw. And I have ivory and beige for my two values on the straw as well. Yellow ochre for a little pattern across the pineapple. Look at that, we got the red, we got the coral pink, and we're going to go back in with a little bit of dark red. And value is the name of the game. It's going to help your artwork appear to be more three-dimensional. And then just going back and touching up that outline, guys. And that's it. One pineapple, one swirl of soft serve, and one very fabulous feline. Well, thank you for drawing with me, and see you next video.